Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and this Python learning. In this video, we'll build a simple save name file app using the terminal. The user will type a name and some input, and Python will save it into a text file as well print it to the screen. So let's start coding. First, we will make a file with touch name save.py. .py is the file extension of Python. Press enter, and now we will reload here, and we're gonna save it, name save.py. First, we should take the user input, and in Python, taking user input and storing it into variable goes like, let's name it user, input, and here we will enter what prompt the user to enter. With this one, we will prompt the user to enter some information. We can check that with print, and we can call user, save it, and if we go into terminal with Python and the name of the file, name save, name, with tab we're gonna fill up the name save and press enter. As you can see, enter your name and some information reminder. That's what we set up here. Now if I write, let's say, my name, I'm gonna print it on the screen. Let's just delete this one and continue. To be able to save the file name from user input, we should split it into separate words, just in case if the user input is long and contains multiple words. As well, we should make all lower characters, so let's first proceed with making lower characters. We're gonna name it as word user. So this one, user dot lower open close brackets. It's gonna make all lower characters. As well, we want to split it with split method. Now I need to take first word of the sentence that user input as a name of the file. We're gonna shorten as well. We're gonna join word from 0, let's say 0 to 1. This one we are using as a separator because it's a string containing a single underscore character. And join is the string method. It takes each item from the list of strings and combines them into one single string using this separator in between. And this one is the slicing operator. So it's gonna take from 0 to 1. The 1 means like if you enter some information, let's say my name and some information, it's gonna take this one, it's gonna mark this as the name, and it's gonna take it as a name of the file. Because in Python you count from 0, so it goes 0, 1, 2, and so on. And always you need to put one more. So if I want first 2, I will put, let's say, 3, and then it's gonna take 0, 1, and 2. Let's proceed. Now we want to make txt file extension at the end of the file. Let's name it file names. Shorten plus .txt file extension. Now we want to open a file called by this shortened file name, and we want to write it into file. We're gonna do that with open file names as write v as file, then file dot write user. So from user input. So here, as I said, we are opening a file called from user input, from first word, that we shorten it. And if the file doesn't exist, Python will create it. So now let's print confirmation message. Now let's save it. Now let's go to terminal and test it. So we have first from user input, enter your name and some information. Let's input my name. Let's select this and press enter. And we have error. Okay, shortened is not defined. Okay, I see the error here. I need to put equal sign. So let's save it again and let's test it again. Let's give something else. Mr. Bean most. Let's enter. Okay. As you can see, now its file saved is mr.txt because here we shorten it from 0 to 1. So as I inputted Mr. Bean, it's just this one taken as a file name and added .txt at the end with this line of code .txt. We're gonna see that when I reload here. As you can see, we have Mr.txt file, and if I open it, we're gonna have complete full sentence what we wrote here. And in this video, we learn how to take input from the user, save data into a file, read data from the file, and in next video we will continue having small tasks and assignments like this. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and if this helped you. Happy coding. Bye bye.